Every day something changes. I have learned from it that it's not a bad thing at all. There's always something good, even though things change. And when you have a heart that wants to see positive in things, then there always turns out to be something good. I was 11 years old when I came here to Finland from a camp. That is a big step for a young person. Different friends, different culture, different language, different climates. In the beginning, I was very excited. Kids just expect everything and they don't think about anything negative. Then somehow that excitement dropped quite a lot and it affected the minds. It was hard to adjust mentally. It was challenging. In the beginning, I missed my friends very much and wondered if I would make any friends or any good friends, like those who were left there in Africa. It was really hard when I couldn't communicate with people and express myself and all. When I got a grasp on the language and started to learn Finnish, I could say sort of like my own name and tell who I was. And sort of like small words. Then I slowly started to get more at ease, to know people and meet new friends. That loneliness started slowly to back away. I was 9 when we moved to Finland. I was quite glad. It felt very good. I mean that in the beginning I was very homesick, and I remember that when I got angry or something, I would pack things into my luggage and take the luggage and go to the front door and say, "Mom, I'm leaving." And then I would realize that how would I go? We got here by airplane. How would I go there? Then it was gone, that feeling of longing. I adjust easily. Even when I didn't understand Finnish yet, somehow I still was able to communicate with people. I took my little sister with me and we went out to the courtyard to look for friends. And after that, a first friend came over to my place. Yes, I made friends easily. First in the courtyard where we lived. There were also other kids of my age with whom we spent a lot of time playing. And then even at school we would play football during the break with other children. When you're the kind of person who muffs about a lot, then you will adjust quickly. I have never felt lonely in Finland. There are complicated feelings. Sometimes it may be that you don't think about your home country, but there are moments too that you start missing it. I might have sometimes remembered some song which I have heard when I was little, and then the homesickness comes. At first it was like Sundays were the days when I would get homesick. And even now I long for those moments that I wake up in the morning and dress up in pretty clothes and go to church with the neighbors. We speak about those old memories and things that we would usually do. Those nice moments that we had there. When we talk about them, it helps. I love or I like my own culture and my own language. Those things that have to do with where I come from. I like these things quite a lot. I like to know about African history. I enjoy reading books and listening to songs in my own language. Sometimes I just get a feeling that I want to listen to, and I honestly like to be in between the two cultures. I like it, I enjoy it. That is sort of me. There is more Finnish in me than Congolese. At school I spend more time with the Finns and with friends that I may speak Finnish language more than my own. I am both, but I am more Finnish. I am a student. I studied to become a childcare provider. I remember that when I had to apply for school, so I didn't know where to apply to. But my sister said to me that you need to sort of sometimes go to your own discomfort zone. So that I can do what I want, that I'm brave. She's kind of encouraging and she's like a model to me. I'm a practical nurse. I like to help people and like to sort of see that reality of life. This has like taught me that life may change in a second. That it's worth daring to live every day. I want to study more. Emergency care would be good, or nursing, or health counseling. But I'm always good in things that have to do with people, and I have noticed that it's sort of my thing. My mom is brave and strong. She has managed with 7 children in the camp and in Finland, in different cultures. When she talks about her childhood, the past, tells about those camp stories, those old memories, so I have sort of learned to understand that this world changes every day. That there is nothing wrong with it in itself, really. That life has changed, that the situation has changed. People come and go, places are not the same. Somehow she has helped me so that I myself have accepted that it's not a bad thing that things change. There's always something good in it.